In this video, we're looking at the generic pocket nappies included in your library loan kit. You may see these branded as Littles and Bloomz or without a brand label on. They may be white inside or grey fleece. The colours and patterns will vary. These are a popper fastening type of nappy with additional poppers at the front to allow the nappy to grow with your child. They'll usually fit most babies from around 9 pounds, which is 4 kilos, up to potty training age. The poppers adjust, but they don't need to be changed every time the nappy is used. Once you've decided which setting fits your baby, you can leave them in place until they grow. Tuck any excess fabric upwards towards the waistband to get a good fit around the legs. Inside the nappy is a fleece layer. This acts as a stay dry wicking fabric to draw the wet away from your baby. It's not necessary to use a liner in these nappies, but if your baby is on solid foods, you may choose to use a washable or disposable liner to assist with removing poo. Inside the pocket of the nappy there are 2 boosters. One is made from microfiber, which is a very absorbent and quick drying fabric. You can usually spot microfiber, which is a man-made material, by the distinct parallel lines on the fabric. The second booster is made from a mix of fibres including bamboo. Bamboo is a sustainable natural material with extremely absorbent properties. While it will hold a greater volume than the microfiber booster, it will also take a little longer to dry. You can use 1 or 2 boosters and even substitute for other things like muslins or flat nappies if necessary. If you start with 2 but both are not wet each time you change the baby, you may only need 1. The outside of the nappy is made from a waterproof, breathable fabric. To fit this nappy on your baby, you will need to place the back elastic just above their bottom. It's okay for this to be quite low, as the elastic will keep any explosions in check, and you'll be able to achieve a greater rise on the nappy, allowing it to fit around the front quite easily. Bring the front of the nappy up between baby's legs and fasten the poppers to the sides. These do not need to be done up tightly, and there's no strict science as to how they're placed. Go with what feels right for you and looks comfortable on the baby. Make sure all the front poppers are done up, including the ones on the hips, and tuck all the leg elastics in right round each leg. Unlike disposables, where the frills are usually left outside the nappy, we need to tuck in the elastics on washables to avoid leaks. More often than not, if leaks occur with washable nappies, a slight tweak to the fit is all that is necessary to solve the problem. If you're struggling with this, please get in touch by email, WhatsApp, Instagram or Facebook, and we can help you find a solution. When you take the nappy off the baby, first flush away any solids and put the nappy aside to wait for the wash. We don't recommend leaving nappies longer than a day and a half for washing. You can put them into a dry bucket with a lid or a large wet bag like the one included with your loan kit. When you're ready to wash, run the nappies through the machine on a rinse and spin before doing a full load on an ordinary 40 to 60 degree cycle. You can use normal non-bio washing powder, but fabric softener should be avoided as it reduces the nappy's effectiveness. Just one more time to show you the fit. It helps that my baby's not wriggling. Quite low at the back, bring it round at the front, pull the side tabs up and do the poppers. You can do them just to get them in place first and then adjust later. They need to be comfortable around baby's tummy, but do all the poppers up so that the side flats don't droop down later on. So they're all done up there. Just check everything fluffy is tucked in at the front and at the back. You don't want any clothes caught in there. And then just go round the legs, making sure that all the elastics are tucked into the knicker line, just like this, to avoid any leaks.